In this video, we're going to use Arx to do surface enhanced Raman spectroscopy, often referred to by its acronym SERS. SERS dramatically enhances the Raman signal over a portion of the spectrum. SERS is used to help boost signal in those cases where there's only a trace amount of material available, which is not identifiable by direct Raman scan, or to help overcome fluorescence interference. We're going to use the SERS adapter. The SERS adapter attaches to the end of the Arx probe. It has its own power supply and on and off switch. It comes apart like this, so we can insert the SERS disc after we've prepared the sample. When switched on, the adapter rotates. We'll use the SERS sampler to make a sample solution. The cap screws off to give us a sample wand. The SERS disc includes the active area in the center of the disc. The disc is magnetized to hold it in place when we insert it into the SERS adapter. And then we have a SERS wipe just to wipe off excess liquid from the SERS disc. Okay, so now we'll do a SERS analysis. First, we get a solid sample using the sample wand in the SERS sampler. Unscrew the top and remove the wand. Roll the grooved tip of the wand in the solid sample to collect the sample. Return the wand to the SERS sampler and screw it closed. Shake the SERS sampler for about 30 seconds to dissolve the sample in the methanol solvent. Now we're ready to dropper some of the sample solution onto the SERS surface. Break off the nib at the top of the sampler and dropper some of the sample solution onto the SERS surface. Use the wipe to remove any excess liquid. Be careful not to remove liquid from the SERS active surface. Let the sample solution dry completely. The methanol evaporates, leaving our sample in contact with the SERS surface. This may take a minute or so. Take the top off the SERS adapter and put the disc into the adapter in the center location. Since it's magnetized, it will be held in place. Put the base of the SERS adapter onto the probe. When we're sure the sample is dry, we'll put the top part of the SERS adapter onto the base. Push the on button at the end of the adapter. Then we're going to select Scan by pressing the OK button, go to Advanced Scan by pressing the OK button, and then we'll scroll to SERS-kit Scan. Press the OK button to start the SERS scan. The progress bar indicates measuring when the laser can turn on, and when the laser is actually on, the red warning LED is lighted. As long as the progress bar indicates measuring, the laser can come back on even if it's already been on once. While the progress bar is on, the instrument screen also shows us the libraries the analysis will include. When the progress bar indicates analyzing, Arx is comparing the spectrum we've just acquired to the spectra in the instrument's library, and the laser will not come back on. When the analysis is complete, Arx displays the result. Here you can see that we've identified fentanyl. If we were to see methanol as a result, or part of the result, it would mean that we hadn't let the methanol evaporate. Simply run the analysis again after giving the methanol time to evaporate.